Setup is completed. Now open the application. To open a file from application, click on File, Load File. In the dialog, choose the file to open. Toolbar functionality. A toolbar provides quick access to functionality along with the menu. For example, this is the icon for spectrogram. On clicking it, spectrogram of the audio is visible. This is zero-time windowed spectrum. This is gammatonegram. This is single frequency filter. This is formant peaks. This is voiced unvoiced detector. This is pitch contour. This is constant Q. Instead of the toolbar, the same thing can be done using the menu bar. For doing so, select pane and choose the pane of your choice. To delete an added pane, right-click on the pane to be deleted and click on Delete. To compare multiple audio files simultaneously, click on File, Load File. Choose the audio file from the dialog. A comparison of the multiple files is visible side by side. To ensure consistency, the panes in all the files will remain the same when comparing. So on clicking Delete, the pane will be deleted from both the files. You can also save the current work and resume from it later on. To do this, from the menu bar select File, Save File. In the dialog, choose a destination path. Progress is always stored in a custom format called WWC. To resume the work, click File, Load File as usual. From the dialog, choose the saved WWC file. Magically, it will start from where you left off. To directly use the analysis in reports, the application provides an export functionality. To use this, from the menu select File, Export. A pop-up window will appear with different options to change titles, labels, and axes of the graphs. Rows and columns can be auto-labeled by choosing the auto-labeling format from the top right. For example, change the title and choose an auto-labeling format for row and column. Click on Preview to update the graph. You can also choose to put custom labeling on doing so. Bottom labels for columns and right labels for rows can be used to label. You can also choose to use common axes for rows and columns. This will remove all the extra axes ticks from the graph. After all the customization, click on Export. Another pop-up dialog appears. Select the required file format. Choose the file location. Click Export. Now you can see the image saved at that location. You can also dynamically delete the comparison file. To do so, right-click, outside of panes, on the required file and choose Delete File. Instead of viewing the full-length audio, the application enables you to focus on specific sections of the audio. To do so, select and drag the red region to the specific section of interest. All the below analysis graphs would simultaneously update and show analysis of only the selected region. You can also zoom in and zoom out the selected region by using the corresponding buttons. You can also play the selected region of the audio file directly in the application. There is also a dedicated About Info page containing copyright info and useful links to documentation. Another simple but useful feature is the new window feature. This will open a new instance of the application.